welcome to Yoga with Traveling Umi. Today we're going to focus on some poses that will help relieve stress, tension, anxiety. So when you're ready, let's begin. We're going to start today. I don't really have a lot of props, but you see over here I have my handy dandy prayer rug that I'm going to roll. And you can use a towel if you don't have a prayer rug nearby or anything. I'm just going to roll like this, and I'm going to put this under me. So we want to start by lying down on our backs. Lying down on our backs. And we're going to take, if you have a block, you can use a block. You're going to take your prayer rug or your towel. You're going to just lift up, lift your hips, and slide this right under, kind of right a little bit below your hips. The last bony part of your spine. Okay? We're going to lay back. This is called a supported bridge. We're just going to lay back here, feet flat on the ground. We can put our hands on our abdomen. Let's just take a deep breath here. More deep breaths here, just grounding ourselves. If you want to do a cleansing breath, you can breathe deeply in through your nose and then let out a sigh long and steady through your mouth. Let's bring our right knee in towards our chest and extend that left leg. Hold on to that right knee. You can do a little bit of ankle rolling. Going in the opposite direction. We're going to bring that one back down to the ground. Let's bring our left knee into our chest, extending your right knee. Doing ankle rolls on this side as well, doing on the other. Into a fun pose. We call this waterfall, but it's just legs in the air. We're going to lift our legs straight up. Might need to adjust just a little, your towel or whatever you have under you. Breathing in here. Breathing in deeply here. Just changing the flow of your blood. Slowly bring our legs down. We can bring our hands to the ground to help us. And from here, lift up those hips. Pull that towel out and bring it back to the ground. And from here, we're going to gently roll up. That out of the way. We're going to come on hands and knees. We're going to go into a child's pose. So you have your options for child's pose. You can do bring your knees apart and go in, or one I like to do. I could keep my knees close together, toes touching, and just going down, extending those arms out. Another variation you can try is putting those arms behind you. And just breathing here. Okay, wherever you are in child's pose, just slowly coming up. And we're going to bring our legs out in front of us for a seated forward fold. So just bring your legs straight out in front of you and sit up nice and tall. We're just going to kind of passively fold over, not pushing, not trying, just go as far as you can in this pose. Palms facing up, and just breathing here. Knee in, close to your chest, and cross it over that left leg. You're going to take your left hand and wrap it around that right knee. Taking your right hand, putting it behind you, twisting, looking over your shoulder. A couple of breaths here. Just a little. Go over to the other side. This time, taking your opposite leg, whichever leg you started with. I'm doing my left knee into my chest, crossing it over my right, and taking my right hand, hugging that knee in, left hand back, and looking over my shoulder. Slowly coming out there, taking it out just a little. We're going to transition to our hands and knees this time. Your hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Push it up into upside down V or downward dog, they like to call it. Just go ahead and bicycle those legs. Taking that head out while you're we're going to hold it for a minute, extending those heels back. Not for a minute, for a second. Not that long. And then we're going to walk our hands back. Standing fold. Breathing here. Let your head hang heavy. We're going to lift it up into our ruku, or halfway lift. Back parallel to the ground. Fold it over one more time. Slowly roll up. Last thing to come up. So while we're here, we're going to do some standing side body stretches. So let's first reach those hands up to the sky. Grab hold of your left wrist with your right hand. And let's tilt over to our right. center, stretching up. Grab hold of your right wrist with your left hand and tilt over to your left. Bring it back up, stretch it up nice and tall, stretching it all the way out. Bring our hands down, standing mountain pose. And let's take a seat. Rolling those shoulders back. Doing a seated cat-cow from here. Extending our spine and flexing. Breathing in, look up. And breathing out, round. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, round. One more time. And then look up and rounding. Come back to the straight spine. I hope you're feeling more relaxed, less tension in your body. I want to thank you again for joining me for these yoga poses to help relieve stress and anxiety. If you like this video, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe so I can see you again here with Yoga with Traveling Amy.